This thing is just so good looking. The Urus by Novitec. Let's rev it. Listen to the sound. Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with this and this. We are right now at Holman International, and in today's video I will be presenting you the most brutal looking Lamborghini Urus. But this is not a normal Urus. Here we have the Novitec completely modified and redone Urus, and in today's video I will be doing a full exterior walk showing you all the highlights, afterwards also the interior of this car, and last but not least you will be hearing the sound. And I'm telling you guys, this is one of the loudest Lamborghinis that I've ever heard. So let's get it on. First of all, I already mentioned it. It's not a normal Urus, what do you even call it? Urus? Oh, just share it in the comment section, please. I'm not good with that name, but I will be calling it an Urus. This Urus is not a normal one. It's completely modified and redone by Novitec. Novitec is a company based in Germany, and yeah, they also do Rolls-Royce wide body kits and also with Lamborghinis and Ferraris. And here we have the Urus, a wide body by Novitec. So the entire body is redone and the interior is completely redone, plus the wheels and the exhaust. The exterior color is a completely full black matte finish, and the cool thing about this is we have the black matte exterior paint plus the gloss carbon fiber additional parts and the green detail. So let's get it on and start with the front. Here you see it. This thing looks like the next Batmobile. This is Bruce Wayne's next car, guys. Just look at it. It's just so crazy looking. First of all, the Urus itself is even extremely wild and aggressive, but this one is just brutal. Looking at the headlights, these are exactly the same, and here the front bumper, we have this extension giving this a even more muscular look. It is all done by Novitec, also the gloss carbon fiber parts and the green details here. Looking at the front splitter here, again full extension with the green details, the Lamborghini front emblem, which I love, and the full bonnet on this car is redone in carbon fiber, and then you have this repainted in black matte, and here you can see the exposed carbon fiber with the green details. I really like it. I really like it a lot. Looking at the side, guys, you can already recognize and see this is way wider than a normal Lamborghini Urus, as Novitec has applied their wide body kit on this car, making this look so crazy. Here you can see this is the normal base body of the Urus, and then we have this wide body kit making it so much more thicker, so much more muscular. So guys, do you prefer it with the wide body kit or without? Leave it in the comment section below. But something I really love on this are the wheels, guys. Here we have the 5-spoke Y-shaped Novitec wheels, the forged ones. These look absolutely perfect on the Urus. Full black gloss finish with the green center lock, and the carbon ceramic brakes by Lamborghini also finished with the green brake calipers. We have, I think, 23 inches here in the front, yeah, and in the back also 23 inches. Here again, the exposed carbon fiber part, also the side mirrors as well. Everything else full finished in black gloss. We have this side part again from Novitec, and in addition with the wide body, this is just so crazy looking. Let me just open the door here in the back, and then you can instantly see it here. You see, this is the wide body. There's all the additional parts. Here is the beginning of the wide body. This is the normal door, and then it extends the body of the car to make it look more crazy. Here you see, and the body itself and the parts itself is really well done from Novitec. I really like it. 23 inches here in the back again. The wheels are one of the best. I would even go for a normal Urus with Novitec wheels because these are just perfect. Now it's time to talk about the rear, guys. Before we do that, just look at the lineup. GLS 600, S580, S580, G63, 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 GLS 800, GT63 SE Performance, G63, G63, GLS 600, and you can buy all of these cars at Holman International, so go and check out their website. But let's focus on the Novitec Urus, which we have right in front of us. Beautiful, beautiful. This thing is just so good looking. I really enjoy the view that I'm having right now. In addition with the matte black exterior paint, is just so nice. The gloss carbon fiber part here again. The rear spoiler is a 3-piecer on the left side, the center part, and on the right side again. And I just love the way it moves and integrates itself in the body with the line. So cool. Also, we have this wing, it's a double wing here. We have this carbon fiber part and another one on top with the green details, and the Lamborghini initials finished in green. The Novitec exhaust is so loud, guys. You need to listen to it. I don't even think that it's illegal for Germany. It's way too loud, definitely. The TÜV in Germany, I don't think that they are going to like it, but we will be listening to that afterwards. So all in all, guys, how do you like the rear of this one? I would say it's a 10 out of 10. What do you think? But let's talk. Let's just jump inside the Urus. Before we do that, let me show you the key. Lamborghini key, the Urus one, unlocking it, and it's ready to step inside the Urus by Novitec. So I'm already sitting inside the Lamborghini Urus. I couldn't resist, guys. And the finish of the leather here is all redone by Novitec. Let me just close the door here. Oh, there we go. We even have soft closing doors. Look at this. On a Lamborghini Urus, that's crazy. First of all, we have a very cool interior finish here, which I'm a huge fan of. First of all, it completely reflects the exterior of this car as well, since we have a two-tone finish with the black leather and the green leather. It's not too much of a green, it's just perfect in my eyes. And the green tone is also nice. It's great for the eyes. It's not too flashy. It's very elegant looking, still sporty, since we are sitting inside a Lamborghini. The steering wheel here is a flat bottom, flat top, nice shape here with the green leather finish, all done by Novitec. We have the airbag cover finished in leather. This is something I hate about the base Urus. It's finished in plastic, and here fully redone in leather. Yeah, tricolore here, the Italian flag. Let me just start the ignition. For that, we pull this up, press it once. When you hear the sound, you know the car is almost ready to go. It's the Audi sound. It's exactly the same, guys. We don't want to listen to anything. The interior is crazy. The seats are comparable to the stock seats we have, but instead of having the Lamborghini leather, it's all done by Novitec here with the nice perforation, nice leather design. Also the back seats as well. The headrest also finished with the green Lamborghini initials. Yeah, guys, there's a lot to show you, but the most important thing to show you is the sound. So are you guys ready to listen to it? I will be lowering the window here on this side. Okay, and then let me just get ready, guys. I will be putting my foot on the brake, and as soon as you want to start the car, you just put that up, and then 3, 2, 1, listen. Okay, this is still in Strada, so let's move to Corsa. You hear it. There we go. That's what we wanted to hear. So now let's rev it. Listen to the sound. Wow. They're just crazy. Also with the head-up display. Crazy, guys. How do you like the sound? From the outside is way louder, so let's jump outside. So guys, now it's time to listen to the sound of the Lamborghini Urus by Novitec, and I'm telling you, the sound of this is just crazy. From the outside it's way louder, so 3, 2, 1, let's get it on. This is by far one of the loudest Lamborghinis I've ever heard in my life. Rate this sound from 1 to 10. Oh, I'm done. I'm finished. Oh my god. So that's it for today's video, guys. How do you like the Lamborghini Urus by Novitec? Leave it in the comment section below. If you're interested in getting this car or any of these, they are all on Hollmann's website, so check it out. Also special thanks for letting us film this today. All in all, guys, this is a proper beast. The sound is a 10 out of 10. The exterior, interior as well. Great job done by Novitec, guys. Leave me your opinions in the comment section below. Would you rather go for Lamborghini stock Urus, or would you go for the Novitec Urus with this sound? Leave it in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.